You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing food names, including from France and other dishes that many get confused by. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Pain au chocolat is how it is said in French. You could say it in English as pain au chocolat. Pain au chocolat from French. Pain au chocolat. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.